How to delete old gig photos on Fiverr. If you want to delete the old gig photos on Fiverr, first you can go to fiverr.com, or you can also open the app and make sure that you're logged into your account. Then you simply want to go to your profile. So tap the three lines option there, and you want to just tap on my profile to come to your profile page over here, or you can tap on your name to do so. Once you're there on your profile, you will see a list of your gigs, or you can go to the My Gigs, select the gig that you want to edit, and navigate to the gallery section. Then you can just hover your swiping or your fingers over the photo you wish to remove. Then tap the trash can icon that appears and confirm the deletion. You can also delete automatically added portfolio images by turning off the gig portfolio feature for the specific gig. And this way you can delete all gig photos on Fiverr. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching and see you soon in our next video.